This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. Again, the daily candlestick chart of the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. And last week this was Wednesday's candle here, and I pointed out that the RSI had crossed below its moving average here. And then I said, if Thursday or if this low, Wednesday's low, gets broken to the downside, which it did on Friday, then this would be the first target to the downside. And I said, best case would be this. And I said, I don't believe that we were going to test the lows at this point. I believe we were going to make a pullback here, right in this area, and then reverse. All right, that did happen. The support held here. We began to reverse here. Got the RSI to cross back above its moving average on this day, on the close here. That high was taken out. That tells us we should get some more follow through to this. Now we are still inside this big, massive candle back from the 9th of April. But there is still this open gap here. That is the upside target now. I think if we get to that target, we will be overbought on the RSI at that point, and we can expect a pullback and maybe going to retest the moving average support there. There is this gap to fill now below the market here. All right, so that's something to be aware of on the downside. Those gaps do fill about 80% of the time. All right, so that's an important point right there. And then, of course, the gap fill here. This gap is still left open back from Wednesday, April 2nd and the 3rd of April there. Economic data set for release next week. Wednesday, we've got core PCE, followed by gross domestic product. Thursday, we've got ISM manufacturing PMI. And Friday, average hourly earnings and the big non-farm payrolls report. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.